Morning, a former Brunswick district attorney is due in court ahead of her own jury trial.
Jackie Johnson is charged with meddling in the police investigation of the 2020 killing of Ahmaud Arbery, which many called a racially motivated hate crime, leading to a national outcry for justice.
As we continue to follow this story, we've got Mackenzie Baker, who is joining us in the studio this morning.
Yeah, absolutely. So Jackie Johnson is due in court at the Glenn County Courthouse at 9 this morning for a motion hearing. Now, the court is set to hear outstanding matters prior to the trial. Jury selection will take place on January 21st with a jury trial to follow. Now, let's take a look at the breakdown of events leading to this point. In February of 2020, 25-year-old Ahmaud Arbery, a black man, was shot and killed while taking a jog through the Satilla Shores community in Glenn County. 3 white men, father and son, Gregory and Travis McMichael, along with William Rhodey Bryan, were all sentenced to life in prison. Call logs show that almost immediately after Arbery was shot and killed, Greg McMichael called DA Jackie Johnson.
Jackie, this is Greg. Can you call me as soon as you possibly can? My son and I have been involved in a shooting, and I need some advice right away. If you can please call me as soon as you possibly can. Thanks. Bye.
Court filings show Greg McMichael had worked with Johnson in the DA's office as an investigator, prompting a conflict of interest. Johnson had recused herself from the case, but not before she asked another DA to review the case, and that second DA said the killing was justified before Johnson recused herself. She's indicted on charges of violation of an oath of a public officer and obstruction and hindering a law enforcement officer. Again, Johnson is due at the Glenn County Courthouse at 9 this morning for a motion hearing. Be sure to stick with WTOC for coverage. Live in the studio, Mackenzie Baker, WTOC News.
All right, thanks, Mackenzie. And of course, you can read up on past coverage of this case. You can check out a comprehensive timeline by heading over to our website, WTOC.com.
Right now, Georgia State Patrol investigating after troopers